We are pleased to show you the 2021 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, Sirius XM travel link, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.